photography. Sarah, do you want to be in the car? Are you just gonna let him rip it out? Is the e-brake on in gear?
The e-brake's on.
It's in neutral?
Yeah. My e-brake doesn't work anyway, so.
Do you want to get in the car or?
No, you can get in the car though.
Or if you trust one of them, they're like off-road enthusiasts.
Anybody wants to
Jared,
get in the
come
car?
here, get in the car. Okay. I'm all scared. They're like off-road enthusiasts, get in the car.
I almost thought he was just gonna like think and grab the chain.
I almost don't regret getting it stuck now.
Right?
It might just pop off the ball though.
Or rip their fucking hitch out.
Holy cow. That's why I wanted to put another chain on the front.
Yeah. Where'd your front wheel go?